They bonus enter fake news.
Hello everybody, welcome to Naija Daughter TV. Now who they now who they use now who they calavan. Hello my beautiful people, welcome to Naija Daughter TV. My morning view, how are we all doing? I hope you are doing well. I hope you are doing great. Throw salute, throw salute. I will come out road, I will come out for road. Let me they see, let me they see where. Let me they see real well. I bring regarded Barara. Come this our table today, my people. I would like when we hear from him. He talk about news, fake news, fake information. When they trend everywhere, my people, let's hear before me go drop my own. May Mohbad so rest in peace. I pray for justice. If anybody get hand went by her, I pray God in heaven to expose those people because the guy name will still come out inside. That's why I still call me his soul rest in peace. Anybody who get harm, God will expose that person. My people, let's hear regarding.
Actresses. Put our former Minister of Information, Abe Puta, Lai Mohammed. Some of us need to tell this man sorry.
Sorry, sir.
Because now, my eye don't dey open. I don't say, Nigerians, some of us, they bonus enter fake news. Where this man, they shall say fake news, we scatter this country, fake news, we do like this. We say the man, they talk, whether because of the cap. You understand now? Whether the cap we hate, whether the man we hate, we don't just know. But we I don't like him. Because Nigerians, who now with fake news, is too much. Now, just to build your page, or you want people listening to you, you just talk anyhow. This mohbad case, it don't open a yash. It don't open a yash where. When you don't know about anything, shut up!
You shut up! In fact, Naka, they should shut up their mouths. Mostly they go be speaking grammar, Mostly they know how to speak grammar more than me, more than anybody. Then we put it on the table. You got the hello now. You go say, is it true? In fact, thousands will be watching. Fake news. What fake news we do our country, Nigeria? God, whoa, Baba mi, that would do our country like this. God, we need your intervention in my country, Nigeria. Oh, my Nigeria. Oh, my Nigeria. Fake news, it doesn't carry us. They go where we don't know. Fake news doesn't carry my country. They go where you don't know. Oh, social media. Social media can destroy, can repair. Oh, social media. It's like they bring this social media to this one to destroy our Nigeria. To destroy my Nigeria, my God, my people. I'm sorry, don't be my fault. Papa, my people. What is this our brother Barara talk? What do you think about it? For me, is it true? It's 100% though. Some people don't know anything about the news. No receipts. Some people say they can't use computer to put the human being there. And the human being will be doing mouth like that. We say it's the party. Whoa. But when the social media want to Nigeria, so it's not good though. And the people when they follow that they are well educated though. Because those people they like where they speak grammar, they don't want to hear people like when they speak bati. My Nigeria, my country. I throw away salute. I throw away plenty salute for my Nigeria, my country. Whoa. If you know how to speak a grammar, this social media, now for you, whether you lie, whether you not lie. One day is for the owner. Many days is for the thief. No, now they destroy our country. Now our country, now all of us country. If it better, now for me and you. If it not better, now for me and you. We are too desperados. I want to, build my page. Like one of our brother, the way they drag that man for this social media. Me, I don't want to talk. The thing was like this. Now no they their house, so now no know what happened, but now just they carry the rumor. Some people don't even know anything when they happen. So far, I talk. No, besides play the receipt, you double look the receipt whether na the real person they there. Now they do one. Now no look am. Now next one to pick am. Go through where? Fake news when they carry our country, Nigeria. Now God will help us. In fact, Barara, now true you talk, my brother. Let me play some more before I call it a day. Fake news, see, they carry our country, they go where we don't know.
So you want to talk with them? No, say yeah, you get the update. Now some of you already change, but now I just look on. Where Sam Larry just come. Somebody just do press something for fake account. Oh, na don't carry am. Oh, Sam Larry, if you say with the craze. Oh, Sam Larry, if you say like this. Oh, 2 million. Oh, like this. I dey look una. Una don dey update. Everybody don dey update. Later on, I got to know say na even fake account do am. Some of una don dey come outside, they say sorry, oh, hey, sorry, oh. You don't understand now? Now.
This thing when this our brother Pararan talks to about Sam Larry, it still happen for Naira Marley. Naira Marley, this guy remove picture for his page when mohbad buy. You know, say some people go forge Naira Marley, you know, account. They use and talk. Then all those you know, where they for the collect those people when they carry news for Instagram, they just go, they no investigate whether na Naira Marley. They just go carry it. So far, then once it blow their page, you know. Then once it build their page, they just go carry the right talk. They just put on for their thing. Go and subscribe. Go and subscribe. They not
some of the news one at the top.
They not look at more whether na real Naira Marley. They not look at because real Naira Marley, now you know, na star. You don't get many followers when Instagram take give am that cram. They not look at the star. They say na him. Now what is it happen to Sam now?
Video one at the CCs. Some of them. Una not even understand when they do nothing. Una just they jump enter things. Oh, sure, una don't say na. Most of the things when they say, put Sam Larry and how they call her Naira Marley. I not be even their fan, but I just sit down, just the watch show now since. But we not just do no. So now wicked person. Oh. When the case start, I just say from where the boy died, and only those people I suspect. If I cannot start investigation for them, not to concern me with these two boys, because if they do anything, now here go to say they send them. She una don't say how the thing don't go now, because una just rush. But not be that one. Let me come. Put on to and whether any yabo, you put there too. Welcome. The good Samaritan in the Bible, now they born her. Where Jesus Christ they talk about so, and these two people born her. Very good people. They don't carry senator go meet the boy mama talk. Do give them money. They don't go here they sell coffee. They sell rice, everything, befitting burial for the boy. I said, wow, good people. When you put Nollywood, put the music industry for here, my brother, the most deadly place are the Nollywood. The place we get fought pass for this Nigeria after politics, na Nollywood. Una not see on our own. Musician will die. You even una two never know who kill him because anything they blow. Everybody want you use the boy. They don't say they be good person. All there's some local and the people who don't die for the industry of Nollywood. Una don't do tribute for them. I don't worry because una they say una good now. Nollywood una wickedness we did they not be even here. Una want use this boy now. They name Nigeria. If say we want to carry you along, carry us go here. Carry us along go your Nollywood. Wait una they do the evil there. How una take the backstab, correct.
Nah, you correct, my brother. How they take they no collect each other husband, how they take they backstab their self. Follow me. It's true, but this most I don't even know Toto Dike like that to say evil chat. Mostly this woman, Yabo, Joa, ba. The way he carry Naira Marley matter, the child, the back. Be like say Naira Marley, he carry one of 15. You know, he be like say Naira Marley, this lady, be very careful, though. I know so now be bati together, oh. Be very careful. Oh, I'm just on my own, oh. Because the way this lady carried the matter, I was shortalized to my bone marrow. Where crowd go, no be say that they would more the person, no be say that you know, just because of crowd. Now some me tell they see all those social media just because of crowd. See crowd. Let me jump into this trend. No, that is how our Nigeria social media are. Mostly all those people where they just call so. The way when this Yabo Joe take the back for social media for Instagram, me I think say in fact she na see her. In fact she it already confirm and say na Naira Marley buy her. In fact me by myself I would think say in fact he know everything as he take the talk say the boy not get anything. Naira Marley say they collect money for the boy music. I hope Yabo Ojo egba mi ejo auntie. I hope you hear Naira Marley say all those in new music. You know they collect shishi. You know they collect epini. You know they collect all. You know they collect nonde. I hope you hear justice for mohbad. But the way some people take her, they use and they enrich their pockets. I know me talk about him too. I monetize my video. But before I talk about it, you know, say maybe I want use and educate. But those people, oh, there was pointing finger You guys never do anything. The thing when they say they want to, you guys never catch the person red-handed. You just sit down just because Naira Marley is a big star. People know him. When talking about him, you in fact some of your followers will follow you. One, but if you they talk about in a word when throw, when Naira Marley in come out from Naira Marley mouth, now you use against him, I don't get problem. But this guy, the very day this boy when he here, he go Instagram. That is how stars more. When Davido song meme, Davido remove a picture for a profile for Instagram. People when love Davido, he do the same thing. One America star, he do the same thing. That is how stars more. Naira Marley do the same thing. But you guys not see all those one. No. We lock person, they pay us. We dey drag another person, one drag enter depression. We want drag am to bring him that. Now that one we no want. But if we catch am red-handed, say na ikbaya, omo, he go face the law. But we never catch am now. Let's wait. Let justice. Some say Nigeria, justice not dey take place. Let doctor report come out first. Now do well, now wanna go buy, coffee because the boy dead, he pay knocks. When they ever see bury am, very painful bury. How? Why? What it be this? Go carry small coffee, bread. Oh, ba. And Naira Marley, see do that one. How? And Naira Marley. Fake news. Now let God go save us, my brother. Regarding Jehovah, King of glory, the Lord of Lords, the omnipotent, the omniscient. Not see that Instagram. Except I want to look for news to see. It can hard me to go. Say me, I just take my time, go to Instagram, Facebook, go. That one I do. My people, be very careful. Know what you listen to. If you dey listen to something, whether na me they listen to, double look what they play for you, whether na fake or whether na truth. You understand? This guy, when they say reach Nigeria now, he go submit himself to police. Him by himself go submit himself to police now. That this Sam Larry. Sam Larry, he agrees say he beat the boy, but he not get hand for the boy dead. May God not let ox just because of pepper body, just because of something wetin we not know hand. They will come say now we not really know who buy this boy now. But Sam Larry don't agree say he really get issue with the boy because he tell him he come play for him. He not come because he not the same money again. Not the same money again. I make you not come. I not pay you. Why you not come? But this Sam Larry and Naira Marley, I think they still be the same. But he still carry him. But now the boy refused to go play. My people, me our pepper body not go carry us for problem. I don't know what you think. We pray for justice for mohbad, wherever anybody will get hand, whether na papa, whether na mama, whether na Naira Marley, whether na auntie, whether na uncle, whether na wife, whether na anybody at all when they accuse. Me, I not accuse anybody. And may God bring them out so that they will face the law. Thank you all for watching my video. I need to my nails. We don't cast. Last. I think now everybody go to breakfast.